Now we continue from question 6 to question 10 on practice 2 section 8 CollegeBoard official S81. Alright, number 6. Number 6 asking about, this is actually a very common question. They said x represent odd integers, or even though they ask even integers, the difference from the previous number is 2. So this is x, the one which of the following represent the next odd integers, next one greater than x, so it's plus 2, x plus 2. Right? Unless they said that x is any number, then it's a different story. Alright? Now this one, okay, for corner geometry, to give you a very nice one. They said which of the following, they said normally this will be same distance from the origin. P to O, O to T are same distance. Normally what they said, this is because they didn't say right down not drawn to scale. Figure not drawn to scale. If they said figure not drawn to scale, then you have to read carefully. If they didn't mention it, then you just can see it through your eyes. Alright, so they want to find the point of the coordinates of point T. If these are the same distance, this means here to here and here to here are same. So the B should be the same value. The Y coordinates are the same. Y coordinate is B, so the only choice is A. So A to 0 and 0 to negative A should be the same value. Answer is A. Number 8. Number 8 asking that, this is very long, so we look at the last line. If there are 12 red glass beads in box, they give you information 12 red glass beads. What's the total number of beads in the box? You have to find the total number. Here you have glass beads, means that you have other beads. So look at the boxes. A box contains wood beads, red glass beads, and blue glass beads. So they give you the number of red. Then you have the other two. They say the glass is 4 times the number of wood. So glass is 4 times the number of wood. So you need to find out how many glass you have. And they also see the number here. Red is 3 times of blue. So I don't need to worry about the probability. You can say red is 3 times of blue. So when red is 12, then blue should be 4, since it's 3 times. So the glass will be equal to 12 plus 4, which is 16. And you notice that the glass is 4 times the wood. So when glass is 16, the wood will be 4. So total is 20. Now look at this graph here. They said which of the following graph is the reflection of the graph above about the x-axis. Reflect on the x, so you can see this side like that, upside down, and this side maybe upside down. So something like this. So look at that, only A is working. Number 10. This is very common questions. So they say x plus y squared equal to 100, x minus y squared equal to 100. So what we, it's x minus y squared equal to 16. Excuse. Alright, please follow this instruction. You have to remember the formula of this, because it's very common formula. When you see this, either you solve the x plus y, x and y separately, or you find the xy right away. In this case, they want to find xy, so we will just find the xy right away. You know that if you expand this, both of these have x squared, y squared, and this has a 2xy, and this have a negative 2xy. So when I do it, I will take this minus this, because I have 2xy, the x squared and the x squared cancel each other, the y squared and the y squared cancel each other. I have 2xy minus a negative 2xy, which means I have 4xy here, equal to 100 minus 60, which is 84. xy equal to 21, which is C. Let's say the whole steps. I can expand this one, x squared plus 2xy plus y squared equal to 100. And I have x squared minus 2, so it's 2xy. 2xy plus y squared equal to 16. So this minus this cancel, this minus this cancel. 2xy minus negative 2xy is 4xy. Minus become plus. 100 minus 16 is 84. So this means I come back to here. So this is a step. You can skip this if you can do it manually. Alright, so we stop here. We continue later for 11 to 15.